Going on, YouTubers? Got a new project coming up as soon as I finish the exhaust, and got a couple other things to do to the car, but this is the next major project. I don't know if you would say major, but yeah, rear disc brake conversion kit from POL, Performance Online. They sent me red. Don't know why, but probably paint those black. I don't like red, but yeah, aluminum. This is aluminum, way lighter than the other one. Master cylinder, 4-wheel disc brakes. Also for 4-wheel disc brakes, nice piece. Very good quality stuff. This kit costs around $650 for everything. About $670, I think. $670. So yeah. This came separate. You gotta buy this separate. This and this together was $175, and then the rest was the rear disc conversion kit. But it comes with all the hardware. The only thing that I know that I'm missing is there's supposed to be 2 washers, and there's supposed to be 4. I've only seen 2. There's supposed to be one on this side and one on this side. So I've only seen 2, but that's not a big deal. I can get those shipped. They're pretty cool people over here in Corona, California. So yeah, very excited to get this thing on. So probably be a few weeks before I attack that project, but it will definitely get put on. And they also come with brake pads, of course. They're in there. So yeah. All right, guys. Later.